Hi guys, this is Alger Abrenica and you're watching Cosmo TV. Siyempre, I feel honored. This is the second time na napabilang po tayo sa centerfold ng Cosmo. I really feel honored na kinuha nila ako ulit for this year. Depends. Lips. Lips. Gusto ko yung misteryoso, yung makuha attention ko, sino yung makakapag-drool sa akin, and spontaneous. Yeah, sense of humor. Sadali, nothing. Joke lang. Joke lang. Wear a dress. Kasi doon mo nakikita yung babaeng-babae na look nila. Dalawa eh. First is, on a public place, I brought a guitar, then sang to her on the spot. And yung sa pababa na escalator, inakyat ko, running, nakot ko yung attention na lahat ng tao, tapos nilapitan ko siya. Eyes. Most of the time kasi sa mata ako tumitingin, and doon ko nakikita yung personality. Hey, you wanna get out of here? Let's have coffee and maybe go to my house and hey,